The first thing you need to do is cut out the fabric you will be using to create your vest. Measure your dog from the base of the neck to the base of the tail. This should be the length of the fabric. To create the fabric that wraps around the side of the neck, measure the circumference of the dog's neck. That should be equal to the circumference of the fabric when held in the circle at the top. You also need 2 large clips and either nylon or cotton webbing. One of the straps should be much larger than the others, and this will be the clip going around the stomach of the dog. The other strap should be very short, only clipping the fabric in place around the neck. You may also add a pocket in the front of the vest if you would like. This would create a window where you could place a message that you would like to be advertised. You can create a band across the top or not. Now you can decide where you'd like the pocket to go. I suggest placing it lower down on the vest so that it's easier to read on the dog's back. Place it where you'd like it to go, and then take a clear tape and secure it in place. The next material that you will need is either blue painter's tape or masking tape. This will be wrapped around the foot of your sewing machine so that it can glide easily over the plastic material. Now that you have the foot of the sewing machine wrapped in tape, you are going to want to sew the pocket on down this side, and across the bottom. You want to leave the top unsewn so that you can use it as a pocket. Now that your pocket is secured, you can remove the tape from the pocket. Now you want to take that second piece of fabric from earlier and place it on top. Now you want to take straight pins and pin all the way around, leaving a small gap at the neck hole. After pinning, this is what your vest should look like. There should be a small hole at the top where you have not pinned. Sew all the way around, leaving the hole open. This is what the vest should look like after being sewn. As you can see, I've left a small gap at the top to pull the vest through. Now you want to pull the right side out of the vest through the small hole that you had left at the top. Now take some scissors and trim the excess fabric from the top of the hole. When pinning the straps on, you have to align the longer strap with the pocket on the back of the vest. Pin the strap underneath the vest. Now you want to take the smaller strap and pin them underneath on the top. To secure the straps, sew back and forth over the webbing. Make sure that you have sewn the clips on in the correct order so that they can clip together. If the clips fit together properly, you are now done. You can print out different signs and messages to put inside the pocket on the front of your vest. Here is an example of a way that you can make this vest your own. This is a vest that I made for the Good Karma Dog Rescue. I've put their logo and embroidery on the front, and I have used paw print webbing. Thanks for watching and good luck!